Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. And I've been shopping. I went to Walmart and Dollar Tree. Now before I show you all the little goodies that I got, I want to mention that I have something very special to show you later on in this video. It's a blast from my past. I think you'll really enjoy it. Okay, let's get started. First stop was Dollar Tree, and near the entrance of the store were these really cute ceramic bowls. And you're probably wondering, well, what has this got to do with sewing? Well, I'm always looking for gift ideas that I can add things to it, which I sew. This has bumblebees on it, and I have this bug material with little bugs all over it that I've been looking for something cute to make little covers for bowls that you can make as gifts. You can put candy maybe that you've made or some other little goodie that you've made, put inside and put these cute little fabric bowl covers over it. I love to get these little notebooks with lined paper in them. This is really cute. It's small. These make nice little gifts. What I do with these is I'll take some of my fabric scraps and make a book cover that just slips right over this, and I'll put a little bow on it to tie it closed, and it just makes a nice gift for someone. Think about something like this as a Christmas gift. This is rope, and this is 1/2-inch diameter rope, and it's a nice little length. I like to use these for tote bags, and there's enough in here to make 2 straps for a tote bag, and you probably even have some left over. I actually prefer 1-inch wide diameter rope, but you know, for $1.25, this is a really good deal. Now this is a patriotic scrunchie. I thought it was really cute. So what I've done is I've actually bought, a while back, I bought a scarf from Dollar Tree that I'm going to show you how to take that scarf and put it into a scrunchie with a tie on it. And that'll be in an upcoming tutorial. These were from Dollar Tree also, and they are kitchen towels. These two have a patriotic theme, and this has an outdoor grill theme. What I like about these is that it's two-sided. All of them are. So it has the same thing on each side. So the reason why I like that is I often cut the towel in half, put some fabric up at the top to hang it with, maybe put some more embellishments on the bottom, and I actually get 2 towels out of 1. Now my next stop was my local Walmart store, and I always like to look at their kitchen towels, and I believe this one was $1.99. And again, this one is two-sided, so it's the same on each towel. I just love the colors that they put together in this, and I think I'm going to have a lot of fun making some decorative towels out of this. These are tea towels, and there's 2 in a package. And I like using tea towels on my embroidery machine to make decorative towels because they're just so easy to work with. When you're doing embroidery stitching on terry cloth towels, there's a few extra steps you have to do to prepare the towel. And this is just so much easier. Everything comes out very clean without a lot of effort. You get them in the fabric and craft department, and they'll be right next to where the embroidery thread is. So make sure you check this out. This is outdoor fabric from Walmart, and they have a small selection of outdoor fabrics, but I hadn't seen this one before and I thought it was really pretty. Now I'm going to make a decorative pillow for the backyard out of this, and I got a 1/2 yard, and that's about all you need. It's a pretty big piece. Another thing you could make out of this by just getting a 1/2 yard is an outdoor table runner. One other thing to keep in mind whenever you're making anything for your backyard that's going to get wet or dirty is to spray it with Scotch Guard or another product called Never Wet. That way you can just kind of shake it off or wipe it off. Easy to take care of. My husband was out in the garage and he ran across a box that said hats on it. And so he opened it up, and in there was this blast from my past. These are, I've got two to show you. This one here is a 1920s hat. Now, why did I make that? Well, I took a class at my local community college that was theatrical costuming. And I was very excited about the course because I thought it would be so much fun to learn about costuming. And I learned a lot. So this is a flapper hat. And there is quite a process in making hats. So here on the back, I'm guessing that this was the back. There's a bow on here. Now it's a little squished from being packed for so long. And then I'm going to take it off its mold here. And one of the things that the instructor liked about my hats was I would use flashing lining on the inside because I'm one of those that, even though it's not going to be seen by people, I just like to know that I have something really pretty against my body. So this hat, again, I don't remember how I did it all together, but there's quite a few pieces up here that are stitched together and molded. And this you could probably wear down over your face, but apparently it was to be worn up like this. Okay, let me show you one more. All right, I don't know if you would call this a prairie hat or if it was like, what, 1860s hat. I just love this. And it's kind of a suede fabric. It's probably fake suede. And I've got this really pretty ribbon for the ties. On the back is kind of this little skirt in the back that's gathered. It was probably to help protect the neck, cover it from the sun. And then it has that same ribbon around the top and a bow on the side. And this is very hard, very hard. And then of course there is the lining on the inside. This even has piping. Now I don't even remember how I did this. This was, like I said, close to 30 years ago. When you make hats like this, there's a wooden mold that they use, and your fabric is dampened somehow. I don't remember the exact process. That fabric or material is put over the molds to harden in a specific shape that will fit on the head. And again, I just had a blast making these. I've forgotten I even had them. I often would wish I had more time to do hats because I think they're a lot of fun. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed looking at these. Well, I hope you enjoyed this shopping haul as much as I did. And one other thing I'd like to mention, look for classes in your area that you can either learn about theatrical costuming or even take classes where you can learn how to make clothing. There's nothing like one-on-one so you can ask questions of the instructor. You learn a lot in videos, but sometimes you just need that one-on-one. So check out your local community colleges, adult education, parks and recreation will often have sewing or craft classes. So make sure you check those out. Make sure you also look down below your YouTube screen in the description section. I will have links to my other tutorials, a lot of beginners sewing projects. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and make sure you go and check out my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and happy sewing. If you like the Sewing Room channel, one of the best ways to show your support is to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And make sure you click on the bell so you receive notifications for all my new videos. I'm Cheryl, this is Manny, and this is Scotty. See you next time.